Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can add fonts and install custom fonts on Figma to use them for your projects and designs. So let us get started. So head over to Figma, let me access this example design here, and let me zoom in a bit. So as you can see guys, this design here features a text box with that font here. So if I double click into the text and also this line here, I will be redirected to the customization panel here to the right with the typography section here. So here under typography at the top, you will see the current font for the given text. So in this case, it's that one here. So you may click into that arrow down icon to get access to the built-in library of fonts here on Figma, and simply switch to all fonts here at the top and browse through the library to select your preferred font, just like that. So you may also switch to Google fonts, for example. These may be used in Figma as well, provided of course they are installed on your device, like a Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, variable fonts, popular fonts. And you may also use custom fonts you have sourced, for example, from websites and installed on your device. So simply switch from all fonts to installed by you. And below you will see a list of all supported and installed custom fonts, like in this case here, that one. So if I click into it, the font will be changed instantaneously to that custom font. How can you install these fonts, guys? It is actually rocket science. Simply download and install it from the source, for example, a website that focuses on these custom fonts. Make sure that you have the license to use the given font, of course, as well. And if that's the case, guys, make sure that the given file is relocated into that folder on your device, like a Windows 10 or Windows 11. The folder name is fairly simple. It's simply fonts. So head over to your manager here, use the search bar, type in fonts, and you should be given access to that folder of fonts that are installed and added to your device font library. And as you can see, this one here is part of that library, and I can use it here on Figma. Just make sure, guys, that that the given font has the right file type. For example, I'm no expert in this, so I don't know what file types there are, but you can look that up, for example, in the Help Center of Figma and also of Microsoft, which font file types are supported and can be used on Windows 10 or Windows 11. And that's basically it, guys. Simply make sure that the given font file is installed and part of that folder, and after that it will be automatically added to your list of installed fonts here. If that's not the case, restart Figma and it should be accessible here. So that's basically it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.